Okay, hello everyone. This is Lyric from the Mariposa Center. So I just want to say a big hello to everyone who's watching. Thank you for watching. Today is going to be a quick, easy, fun recipe for a snack that you can make at home without the use of a stove, and it only takes a few ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna wanna wash those hands. As you can see, I am washing my hands before I do anything. Oh, hey! So yes, always wash your hands before you do any sort of prep for cooking. Hello, I just got back from washing my hands. My hands are nice and clean, and I'm ready to get into this. So I'm gonna share with you guys what the different ingredients and materials you're going to need. Firstly, a little glass bowl, microwave safe bowl. This is what we're gonna melt our chocolate in. Then I have another bowl. This is microwave safe, but it doesn't have to go in the microwave. This can be for any other toppings that you want. Then obviously we're gonna need a banana, a knife to cut the banana. Doesn't have to be this sharp though. A spoon to stir around the melted chocolate. And then here I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I try not to eat dairy, but if you do, you can use like Hershey's or whatever chocolate that you have. And then this is just some creamy peanut butter. And like I said, make it how you like it, right? So if you like crunchy peanut butter, or if you like almond butter, or if you like sunflower seed butter, totally up to you. But I'm gonna use creamy peanut butter. And let's say you are a texture person, you like crunchy stuff. I got you. Try some granola. I have some toasted coconut granola here. Or I took some Oreos and I crushed them up in a Ziploc bag. Those can also work. Again, whatever you like, whatever works for you. But those are just some ideas or some suggestions on how you could make this recipe your own. So first off, I'm gonna start with melting the chocolate chips. No specific amount. I kind of eyeball it, but if you haven't been cooking or baking for a while, I would say use a tablespoon of chocolate. All right, but I think that's about good for me. Now we're gonna pop this in the microwave for 30-second increments. And what that means is we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out, stir it, check on it, make sure it's not bubbling and bursting all over the place. And if it's still not melted, you put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. I'll show you. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds. Looks like they are nowhere near melted. So thanks to our 30-second increments, we're gonna put it back in for another 30 seconds. Luckily, I have a little button on my microwave. I don't even have to type it in. This is our third time in the microwave. As you can see, I'm stirring it and it's really starting to melt. Okay, so it took me about four times, so four increments of 30 seconds before I could get this beautiful, nice, melty chocolate. So we're gonna put that to the side for a second and eat half the banana. So take whatever left of your banana and you're going to slice it. I don't know if you can see, but into a piece like that. So I don't know if you can see like the thickness of it. Just go ahead and slice it. You can ask an older sibling or mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, an adult to help you with this part. I'm gonna continue slicing. Alrighty, we got our banana sliced up. We got our nice melted chocolate. So you can use like a fork or a little like skewer thing or even just a spoon. And I'm gonna try this skewer like that. Got a little bit of banana string on it. And just make sure that the banana is covered in chocolate because hello, we want chocolate covered bananas, not chocolate almost kinda a little bit on the banana. No, no, chocolate covered honey, okay? So spin it around, get all the chocolate everywhere. It's okay if you need a little help with this. We can't all be pastry chefs. And it almost kind of looks like a little lollipop. So here's what I have. A little chocolate covered banana. So I have a little chocolate covered banana on a stick, and I have some Oreo cookies that I crushed up in a little Ziploc baggie. So now I emptied those into the bowl, and now I'm just going to let the Oreo crumbs get on to chocolate covered banana. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then once you have your toppings on it, just take it off the skewer, off the fork, off your hand, off the spoon, and let it vibe. We're actually gonna put them in the freezer and let them vibe. All right, so I don't know if you can see it very well here, but I covered them all in chocolate, and then these three, I covered them in Oreos because I love Oreos, they're my favorite thing in the whole wide world. And then I have one that's covered in chocolate and in peanut butter. Then I have this one here that I rolled around in some toasted coconut granola. And then I don't know if you can see the very, they're slipping and sliding. There's one right here that I covered in rainbow sprinkles. So like I said, feel free to get creative. If it's something else that you like, whether it be gummy bears or marshmallows or peanuts, walnuts, whatever, if you're gonna eat it, make it how you like it, right? There's so many different ways to get creative with this recipe. So for me, these are all the toppings that I want. So once you find all the toppings that you want and you cover them in them, so what you're gonna do is take this bowl of your stuff and you're gonna put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate hardens. And if you're like, Lyric, I don't want the chocolate to harden, I want to eat them like this right now, well then go ahead and do it. That's your prerogative. I'm gonna stick mine in the freezer. The chocolate covered bananas are just gonna vibe in the freezer for the next 15 to 20 minutes. And meanwhile, I have a little bit of a mess to clean up, right? So something to make it a little bit easier so that you don't have a huge mess at the end of your meal making or snack making or whatever is to do something called clean as you go. So as soon as you don't need something anymore, clean it up or put it away. So for example, this banana peel. I didn't need it this whole time. I could have been threw this away. So I'm gonna go throw it away right now and put away some of my ingredients that I'm not using anymore. Okay, we are back. I just took them out of the freezer and I'm going to try them along with you for the very first time. Totally unscripted. Okay. Snaps. That's all I have to say. Snaps to this. I don't even like bananas like that. But this is good. This is very good. That was my Oreo one. I'm gonna try the one with the peanut butter. Snaps. Snaps. Snaps to it. Okay. Here's my one with the granola. Got the granola. Very crunchy. Yeah, it's toasted coconut too, so like coconut and banana. Works really well. Yeah. They all came out great. I really like them. If you tried this recipe, let us know what toppings you use, how you liked it. You can take a video and upload it to Flipgrid. The link for our Flipgrid will be in the bio below. But I'm really excited how these came out, and I can't wait to see how they came out for you guys. So, and also let us know if you want to see more little cooking videos like this. I'll be happy to share some more recipes with you all. And stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy